Mobile lesson 3. Here our objective is developing an earthquake info app using the Android Studio 2, and these are our tasks given. So what we have to do is create an earthquake info app which will display the earthquake info like time, date, location and severity of earthquake as well. So let's move to the code part. Here at Android Studio, the first file is queryutils.java. Here, let's explain with the to-do task. Here, we have to create first the URL from the request URL string and make it a GET request to it. So here we are creating the URL object which will be passing through the API URL constructor. And then second is we have to read from the URL connection and store it as a string, which is called as JSON response. After that, this code is to do about task, mention task, and then we have to convert this JSON response into the JSON object thing. So that's why we are doing this, which will show us the exact the features, the properties like location, severity, date, time, etc. So after that, while running this code, we got some issues, some license issues, and that's why we searched it on Stack Overflow, and we got this HTTP Trust Manager. So I got some SSL license issue, and we included this code from online Stack Overflow, and that issue got resolved. Let's move to the to-do task 4, where we have to create a new intent to view earthquake URL and send it to launch a new activity. So actually here we are using the implicit intent, where we are providing the URL like URI here, and it will get whichever browser available in your Android device, and for example our is like Google Chrome browser, and it will open it through that. So let's move to the Android manifest.xml. Here this is for the adding the internet permissions to our device. So the permissions are given, so our device will have the internet, and it will work and all the USGS link in the web browser. So after that, let's move. Let's run this code. First we'll build, then run, and it will launch is succeeded. So let's move to the emulator. We are using the Pixel 5. So here these are we made this using the Android Studio emulator and used device Pixel 5, and this particular listing is scrollable, and it is showing the earthquake happened and all. So if we click on any of this earthquake list item, it will go to that related USGS link, and it will be opened in the browser. For example, if we click on this, it will go here, and it will show the magnitude and all of the location, time, these things to us, and it is also scrollable, and we can see all the information over here. Thank you.